أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
I seek refuge in Allah from shaitan. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
خالدين فيها لا يخفف عنهم العذاب ولا هم ينظرون.
Abiding entirely therein, the punishment will not be lightened for them, nor will they be reprieved.
وإلهكم إله واحد لا إله إلا هو الرحمن الرحيم.
And your God is one God. There is no deity worthy of worship except Him, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
إن في خلق السماوات والأرض واختلاف الليل والنهار والفلك التي تجري في البحر بما ينفع الناس وما أنزل الله من السماء من ماء فأحيا به الأرض بعد موتها وبث فيها من كل دابة وتصريف الرياح والسحاب المسخر بين السماء والأرض لآيات لقوم يعقلون.
Indeed, in the certain of the heavens and earth and the alternation of the night and the day and the great ships which sail through the sea with that which benefits people, and what Allah has sent down from the heaven of rain, giving life hereby to the earth after its lifelessness, and dispersing therein every kind of moving creature, and His directing of the winds and the clouds, control between the heaven and the earth, are sign of the people who use reason.
ومن الناس من يتخذ من دون الله أندادا يحبونهم كحب الله والذين آمنوا أشد حبا لله ولو يرى الذين ظلموا إذ يرون العذاب أن القوة لله جميعا وأن الله شديد العذاب.
And yet, among the people are those who take other than Allah as equal to Him. They love them as the soul love Allah. But those who believe are stronger in love for Allah. And it only they who have wronged would consider that when they see the punishment, they will be certain that all power belongs to Allah and that Allah is severe in punishment.
إذ تبرأ الذين اتبعوا من الذين اتبعوا ورأوا العذاب وتقطعت بهم الأسباب.
And they would consider that when those who have been followed disassociate themselves from those who followed them, and they all see the punishment and cut off from them are the ties of relationship.
وقال الذين اتبعوا لو أن لنا كرة فنتبرأ منهم كما تبرأوا منا كذلك يريهم الله أعمالهم حسرات عليهم وما هم بخارجين من النار.
Those who follow will say, if only we had another turn at worldly life, so we could disassociate ourselves from them as they have disassociated themselves from us. Thus will Allah show them their deeds as regards upon them, and they are never to emerge from the fire.
يا أيها الناس كلوا مما في الأرض حلالا طيبا ولا تتبعوا خطوات الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين.
O mankind, eat from whatever is one on earth that is lawful and good, and do not follow the footsteps of shaitan. Indeed, he is to you a clear enemy.
صدق الله العظيم.